Welcome to the world of Motors. With 6 various niche demos in the bundle, Motors is the bestseller dealership and classified listing WordPress theme on Theme Forest. More than 4,500 copies sold with 5-star review ratings. Car Dealership Layout provides a full set of options to showcase your vehicles for sale. Our enhanced inventory manager does all the hard work for you, making your listings irresistible to buyers. Motors is integrated with Auto Manager software to host your inventory and feed your WordPress site via XML, which will help reduce manual entries and optimize sales. Motors allows you to start a car rental website just with a few clicks. The rental system was created with WooCommerce, where you can effortlessly add your cars for rent, including additional options like a GPS, child safety seat, etc. You can also add different discount types, for example, instant payment discount. Special one-page layout for a modern auto service, tires and detailing services. Perfect representation of your services with pricing and online appointments. Motors includes boats and bikes layouts with a specific design and extra modules. Motors has 2 types of search filters, Classic and Modern. Both filters allow users to navigate without reloading the pages. In Classified Listings Layout, Motors has an option to browse the items directly on Google Maps. The Listing Manager allows you to add parameters of vehicles, descriptions, location, promos, prices, labels, media, and much more. With taxonomies and categories management, easily set or edit the parameters you need for a listing search. In Motors, users can compare up to 3 vehicles and add the liked vehicles to their favorites list. Motors has a paid membership subscription feature with recurring payment via PayPal for dealers. In the settings, you can easily set the limitation on the amount of ad slots and images for dealers. Motors also has an online shop on WooCommerce, so you can sell vehicle parts or accessories online. Auto Manager software full integration, XML, CSV demo import, free and paid membership with recurring payment, user and dealer profiles, multi-currency feature, full localization for 7 languages, premium plugins included, and much more. 24/7 support with live chat and ticket system. Get Motors today on Theme Forest.